Hello everybody! It is part 4 of Death by Killer Bong's little road to a textbook game, and this is the textbook game. If you haven't seen the 3 eps before this, I advise you to go back and do that, because this is the conclusion. I just had myself a little pizza with the bacon and garlic and shit on it. Nom nom nom. And I have a little can of Coke here. Numb. So let's enjoy this little game. I don't really like this map. I don't have any good tactics on this map. It's a little bit too open, I think, for any good tactics. But regardless, there's always hunter destroyers going for the middle there, for the little small island. So let's put out some small space control torpedoes, because destroyers, they shouldn't have come up this high yet. So I will have time to reload before anyone comes close to me. And my plan is to go around this island here and just lay still here for a little while. I guess those fighter planes ruined that. But whatever, it didn't matter, it seems. Maybe nobody was paying attention. Pulling in reverse here. I should have seen the destroyers at that island in the middle, because it's that close. And a fucking ant just bit me. Let's put out some more of those. And this lag is weird. When I have that lag in replays, I googled and they said to pause it. So there are a few segments here when I pause it and then speed it up again. I've tried to cut those out, but I think they are noticeable. So you don't wonder what's going on there. Looks like they got first blood. And I'm thinking they're all going around this way. And so are my friends. So I might as well go over here and fight on this side. I really like being not detected. This is a problem. This destroyer is very close. It is very threatening. I have to take care of this immediately, so I open fire. And miss all the shots, of course. Because I'm really terrible at shooting. And so are they. That's lucky. And I'm just estimating here his speed and everything.
Torpedoes to starboard.
Gotcha. First kill. I'm very happy with that. So let's turn away and get out of detection range. Very good, very good. So as you can see, I'm trying to do everything I've learned. When I fire my torpedoes, I try to look around me to see if my my friendly people can run into the torpedoes, and I keep looking around me to see if anyone sneaks up on me. And I try to stay outside of detection range and just close to within torpedo range. So this guy is 8 kilometers away right now. One thing I've never seen Jengles or anyone else say in their videos is they always say keep sailing in a straight line and you'll be invulnerable to torpedoes. No, the other way around. Don't sail in a straight line. But I don't think anyone ever said stand still or just lie still next to an island, so some destroyer can come and launch their torpedoes, not even selecting you as a target, and you'll just lie there and take it. I don't know. I don't think that is a good tip. Random weird lag again. But it is very nice that you did so, because I really enjoy getting kills like that. Very good. Second kill. And they only knocked how much health? 900 health off me. Maybe 1 or 2 crewmen died. This guy though, he's a smart man. He saw that guy being killed by torpedoes. He knows there's a destroyer around here. It's just adjusting my course to stay within torpedo range, but outside detection range. And I'm detected by that plane, and that guy, as you can see, immediately starts turning. Yeah, he figured it out. He knew torpedoes were coming around that island. But that cruiser up there's got his number. He's kind of trapped within a rock and a hard place right now. I can see his splashes. Oh well, good shot, mate. I wanted that kill, but okay, good shot. This is a team game. Let us speed off into the distance. Speed it up a little bit here. They should introduce more rough seas. That would be an interesting dynamic. Because this is always very calm. The song has been Boards of Canada Olson, by the way, at 800% slower. Does that make sense? Whatever. But since we're coming to the end now, and it's gonna be a little bit more intense than this music calls for, we're gonna switch this up to another band. Let's rock and roll this game.
Engine boost deactivated.
So much missing. Five kilometers. I'm not paying attention at all. He's really, really close right now. Have my torpedoes, mate. They're free. And pop a smoke and head away from the target. Chair dancing is allowed. Boom! Headshot. Belt armor shot. I mean. Here's my next target. Closing fast. 8.5 kilometers. No planes spotting me. It's all good. Almost 7 kilometers, starting to turn. And let's wing these torpedoes. Just because I can. That's when I think I'm gonna intercept you. And turn away. That is a 360 no scope. YOLO. And he's doing his thing over there. That is my 4th kill. Where can I find some more people to kill? Maybe behind one of these islands I can see someone. Hello. Hello there. Would you like to be my target? Aww. You gonna drop your torpedoes on me? That would be uncool. I can take a torpedo hit or two. I know what I'm gonna get. I'm gonna get 2 carriers. If I play with my cards right, that is. And here I'm going very, very close. Just to make sure I get the kill. Ah! Ow! That hurt. Got one. Let's start killing this one. I'm gonna get you, Barbara. got a fucking game! Wow. I'm quite excited right now. My heart is beating. Maybe I should send this to Jingles. Wow. Wow. I love this little destroyer. It's so good. It's so nimble and fast and stuff. Anyway, that was my textbook game. It was in no stretch of the imagination a perfect game. I know this, but it was really enjoyable. And I think if you're gonna have a game and you can make them all like that, you would have a really good track record. So I hope you've enjoyed this. If you like my stuff, give me a thumbs up down below, and maybe subscribe to my channel, because there's more videos coming up, as always. And share this with your friends. Get the word out there. And then, well, thank you. And until next time, see ya!